corporate responsibility and environment. In today's world, the link between business and the environment is more important than ever. Our planet faces serious issues such as climate change, deforestation, pollution, and loss of biodiversity. These challenges are often made worse by the actions of large companies that consume natural resources, produce waste, and emit greenhouse gases. Corporate responsibility towards the environment is the idea that businesses must act ethically, minimize harm, and contribute to protecting nature. It means that companies should not focus only on profit but also take care of the planet and the people who live on it. Corporate responsibility, often called corporate social responsibility, is based on the belief that companies have a duty beyond making money. They are part of society and influence the environment through their decisions and operations. A company that pollutes rivers or releases harmful gases into the air may earn short-term profit, but it creates long-term damage for future generations. Responsible corporations aim to find a balance between financial growth and environmental protection. They seek solutions that benefit both their business and the planet, ensuring sustainability for all. Environmental responsibility requires companies to think about the effects of their actions on nature. For example, a factory should not only focus on production but also on how its waste, energy use, and raw materials affect ecosystems. Companies can reduce their impact by using renewable energy, recycling waste, and investing in cleaner technologies. A company that uses wood must also ensure that new trees are planted to replace what is taken. These efforts help reduce harm and build a positive reputation among customers who care about the planet. Many businesses have realized that protecting the environment is not only a moral duty but also a good business decision. Using energy-efficient machines or renewable power sources can reduce costs and attract eco-conscious consumers. Modern customers prefer products from brands that care about sustainability, reduce plastic use, and support clean energy. On the other hand, companies that harm nature often face criticism, boycotts, and even legal action. Corporate responsibility has become a key factor in building public trust and long-term success. There are countless ways companies can act responsibly. Some invest in solar and wind energy to reduce carbon emissions. Others create recyclable packaging or introduce products that last longer. Fashion brands now use organic fabrics and promote recycling of old clothes. Technology companies are developing data centers powered by renewable energy, while food companies are conserving water and supporting farmers who use eco-friendly methods. These actions show that caring for the environment can also inspire innovation and efficiency. The idea of the triple bottom line is often used to explain modern corporate responsibility. It means that companies should measure success in three ways: profit, people, and planet. Earning money is important, but so is protecting the environment and treating people fairly. A business that makes profit at the expense of the planet is not truly successful. Real achievement lies in creating value that lasts, value that benefits the company, society, and the earth. Governments and international organizations play a major role in promoting environmental responsibility. Many countries require companies to report their energy use, waste management, and carbon emissions. The United Nations has introduced sustainable development goals that encourage responsible production and consumption. Investors are also choosing to support companies that follow green policies. This rise in ethical investing has pushed corporations to adopt cleaner technologies and more transparent environmental standards. Still, there are challenges. In developing nations, companies often face pressure to increase production, create jobs, and compete globally. Environmental concerns sometimes receive less attention because short-term economic growth seems more urgent. As a result, some factories release pollutants into rivers or use unsafe disposal methods. Such actions harm nearby communities and ecosystems. Governments can help by enforcing environmental laws and offering incentives for adopting green technologies, making it easier for businesses to grow sustainably. Small and medium-sized enterprises also play an important part in protecting the environment. Even small changes, like saving energy, using digital records instead of paper, or organizing tree planting events, can make a difference. When thousands of small companies adopt such habits, the combined effect becomes powerful. Corporate responsibility is therefore not only for big businesses but for all who contribute to the economy. Public awareness has also become a driving force for change. With social media, consumers can easily expose irresponsible behavior. If a brand is seen damaging the environment, people quickly react and may stop buying its products. On the other hand, companies that show genuine care for the planet often receive strong support from the public. Today's consumers reward honesty and environmental awareness, and this pressure pushes more companies to become responsible and transparent. In the future, corporate responsibility for the environment will only grow in importance. Climate change, resource scarcity, and pollution will demand that all companies become more accountable. Businesses that invest in renewable energy, green innovation, and sustainable materials will shape the next phase of global development. Those that fail to adapt will lose trust and market position. Sustainability is no longer an option, it is the foundation of long-term survival. Ultimately, the health of the environment determines the health of humanity and the economy. No company can succeed in a world where the air is unbreathable and natural resources are exhausted. Corporate responsibility is therefore about protecting life itself. It reminds us that every business decision affects the future of our planet. Companies that act responsibly inspire others, individuals, communities, and even governments to do the same. Together, responsible actions create hope for a cleaner, fairer, and more sustainable world. If you enjoyed learning about corporate responsibility and the environment, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support encourages us to continue sharing educational content that spreads awareness about sustainability and inspires positive change for our planet.